Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I am a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is number 2678, number of senior citizens. So we're just going to read through the spec here. You're given a zero-indexed array of strings details. Each element of details provides information about a given passenger, compressed into a string of length 15. The system is such that the first 10 characters consist of the phone number, the next character denotes the gender, the next two characters are used to indicate the age of the person, and the last two determine the seat allocated to the person. So, return the number of passengers who are strictly more than 60 years old. So for instance here you can see M75, so that person's 75, F92, that person's 92, F40, that person's 40, so you can see there's only two people who are over 60. Yeah, these two people here, but the person who's 40 is obviously younger than 60 years old, so it's only two. F20, so 20 years old, and M56, so these people are both younger than 60, so 0. Constraints, there's going to be between 1 and 100 people on the flight. The length of each passenger details object is like 15 characters long. Details I consists of digits 0 to 9, so it's always going to be 0 to 9 except from the 10th index, which is a M, F, or O. So, just going to go over to our notes here. So, I think this is going to be fairly simple. I think what we need to do is we need to iterate through details. Check if number at index 11 through to 13, so it's up to but not including, is check if number is greater than 60. If so, add 1 to output, or I will say if so, increment output, and down here we just say return output. Cool. So let's try this. I'm just going to paste this into LeetCode. We'll comment it out. So, for detail and details, if detail at index 11 through 13, it has to be casted to an integer as well. So if this is greater than 60, then output plus equals 1, incremented by 1, and then just return output. Let's see what we get. These first two cases are accepted. Let's hit submit. And accepted. So, thank you very much for watching the video. This was quite an easy one. I hope this was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, leave a comment. Or if you had some other solution that was a bit more simple or efficient or just different, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yep, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.